Hi, what's going on everybody? This time we are gonna do the unboxing video and review about the latest mobile phone from Samsung Galaxy J6. This phone has just been released in May 2018 and comes with the infinity display and a fingerprint scanner. The screen also comes with Super AMOLED display from Samsung. So, let's find out what's inside the box right now. In the box, there is a tray pin to open the SIM and memory card slot. Next, as always, there is also a manual guide in dual languages. Let me open it first. Then, there is a standard MicroUSB cable. Next, there is also a simple headset from Samsung with standard form with a button to accept or reject the phone call. Then later there is a standard charger adapter like other Samsung series as well. Now let's take a look at the phone. The design is quite interesting like Samsung flagship series. At the bottom there is a microUSB port and 3.5mm headphone jack. Let me open this annoying plastic first. Well, this is the view of Samsung Galaxy J6 with purple color. The fingerprint is located underneath the camera on the back. On the right side of the phone, there is a power button and also speakers. This is the position of the speaker. On the left side of the phone, there is a volume button. Then it looks like there are two trays for SIM card and memory card. The first tray is for SIM card only. Then the second tray we got one memory card slot and one SIM card slot. Let's put it back together. Well, now I'll turn on the phone to take a look at its display and interface. is the first look of Samsung J6 interface. It looks like a new interface just like all the latest Samsung phone with OS update. There is also Bixby application here. For the home and back buttons have also been integrated into the screen like Samsung S8 and S9. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you on the next video.